Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sharia. So today we are talking about everything about CMake and Make. So what is CMake or Make? We are discussing this lecture, and I prepare some line of code like 400 around or 300 around 300 plus around Make and CMake code. So this is more than enough, I thought, to our discussion today's session. So what is Make or CMake? So in one line, if we talk, this is a build system generation or generator of the C++ or Objective-C code. Also, you can use it for different language like Python and Rust, Ruby, or else I don't know. So in this battle, we compare Makefile and CMakeFile. What is this, and what the benefit and what the limitation of these two make system generator? So first, if we look what is Make. Make is a GNU Make or GNU Make, GNU not Linux, Make file system generator for GNU Foundation or Free Software Foundation for Make, and CMake is for Kitwari for open source CMake. Okay, that's enough. So if we see that in CMake, first we have requirement for CMake minimum requirement for version 3.0 or project name. Okay, this is as simple as this. And another in Makefile we need plug. What is plug? For our compiler that compile the same thing like CXX means C++ or CC means C. Okay, C programming. Achha. So here you can see CXX G++. So it is for G++ compiler or GCC for C or G++ for C++ compiler that standard C++ 17 and the compiler flag. Okay, the target is that as a similar for CMake like project or version. Here you can see it is called target, and here is the CMake set specify the C standard like 17 or C standard require true. Okay, so here you can see the source file srcs source file like main.cpp util.cpp. So we can see that this is a top level file in this program. If we see, there is no another header file or source file. This is our top level file. We can just create a scratch. Okay, so what is object? This is object file .o for source file object, or all the source file object is. Okay, then we can gradually include leaf path or leaves. Okay, leaf path minus capital L or minus L. Okay, so what is this, and what we can define this CMake and Make in this case. Okay, so leaf path means we can include the library path. Okay, the library path has user, local and deep folder. Okay, this is a path and this is a flag, and my leaf is a path, and minus L is a flag. Okay, and another is include path or include file. So minus capital L and include path. Okay, so this is the OS target specific code. So for this reason we just ship this CMake. Okay, first we finish the Makefile, then we can go and understand the CMake list text. Okay, so first if equal os dollar means just config this. So OS Windows NT. What is Windows NT? This is a kernel. Okay, this is a kernel. If the Windows anti-kernel are active, then we can target dollar. What is this means? Colon equal means equal, okay, dot exe target, or flag is gcc and this is the library path, okay. Else use name as shell or shell or shell, then this is a execute that uses. This will include users, we must use users, okay, not the any name, we also use name. Linux and Darwin, this also a kernel. For Linux for Unix based operating system and Darwin for BSD or macOS operating system. Their Clang is a compiler, okay. C++ for LLVM, okay. This has finished. Then we go to custom lib target. What is custom lib target? If we create any custom library like that, we can see like here we can go here you can go like ff, okay. If we go here, you can see two files, include file and lib file. If we enter lib file and there is, we can see dilib, okay. Dilib or a is a static library or dilib is a dynamic library. If we create something like that, we also include this line of code for specific OS, like so for Linux, DLL for dynamic link library for Windows and dilib for macOS, and this is a code, okay. This is a simple line code. For a specific, I just only show one line of CPP. In your application there are bunch of different or one or more like CPP file you can include in this, okay. Or if we create a package like exe, msi, dmg for macOS, package for macOS, ISO for operating system, or RPM or Debian, okay. If we create this like of package, you can add this line of code, and here I just hash it that you can add your requirement code, okay. So what is pony? The pony is like a cleaner of our Makefile that clean every conflict file that is include our project, okay. So in a cleaner we can use .pony, okay. Custom lib. So if our custom lib or package custom lib, we can create this like tar.zz. This is for Linux, okay. This is only for Linux, okay. So here we can see line by line what is this. So here you can see -o means object, $@ means the target file. What is target file? We can see this target file is lib custom OS, okay. So it hold this. What is this? $2p. $2p means is target all the file, all the dependency like libpath and lib, okay. What is C? C for C flag, okay. In the clean section we see rm-f. So what is rm-f? Rm means remove or -f means force. Remove, force. If we create any library, custom library or dynamic link library, we also need the build. Traditionally in CMake we just call clean build, but in Makefile we cannot take a traditional build, we also write the clean build like phony or rm-f, okay. So in this line of code, here you can see if we release our build, that optional, if we release that this code is execute, or this we can see if equal build type debug that it execute, or release that is execute. Okay, this is like all build target, all the same thing. We can see -o object file, $$ means target file, at $2p means all dependency, or this means what, dollar less than, it means only dependency, only single one dependency, only single one dependency. Okay, so what is %sign? This %sign include all the same type file. So what is %? Means all the same file, means all the .o file, %.cpp, all the cpp file. Okay, that funny means the clear. Okay, this is call for testing the source code, unit testing. In if your code need any unit testing, that you can execute this line of code. This is as a similar wildcat. So this is some like the same thing, packaging or clearing. So this is a debug tool, build type debug or build type release. This is a one line of code. This is only for advanced build configuration. So first we can plug the build type, then we build and build. Okay, so this is all the same thing I can talk about. So if we need any external library of our specific code, you can use this, but in Make this is all traditional coding that have much better than, this is much better, less better than CMake. The CMake is much better than Make. So let's move it to the CMake. Okay, first this is add executable file. Okay, not here you can see this is not required for any object file. What is my file? So my file is our main project name, my file. Okay, so is this my file? This is a folder called my file, and the folder has a source and executable. Okay, in my apps means this my project called my app has a private .boost. If we need a boost for unit test, then we can write a code like target link library boost. Okay, so here are different type of targeting library creating like a project, like CMake current source tier, like source include, also very similar like this include part. Okay, so here are the OS specific code, like here you can see the OS specific code. Like if we create a or build a project for Windows, so a specific library, so we can say the starter, this is a status. So this is a target compile definition, and this is the Apple definition, this is the Unix or Linux definition. If we need a specific third-party library, so how we can use it for specific OS? So Windows 32 OS we can use. Okay, so in Windows 32 OS we can see we can use git clone like that. Unless later we can see how to use find package or find config. So if you use a git direct, you can use this, or CMake current binary tier like that, and Windows third party. This is important. So in this name has a different for your different name for your different criteria project. So this is not a same as your project like Apple Unix. So this is like a same thing. So this is installing rule, like that. What is installing rule? So we can see a real like example, like we can see like something like fmg, like here in bin we can see our all execution file are the bin file. If we create a library and throw it the execution file in bin folder, what we can do it, we can specify it for our destination, like this bin file, lib file, or include file, like three different files. So here you can see, if we go a specific library, we can see three different thing, like like bin, include, and lib. So in three folder we can manually create or create this like a command. Okay, enable testing. So if we test any unit test, you can write this line of code like boost. So what is boost? Boost GST is a unit test library for boost is a open source community, and GST for Google test framework. Okay, so custom command, if we create or need any custom command, you can write it like a CMake command. Okay, echo is a Unix or shell print. Okay, or touch is a think of create a file online. This, okay, touch is a think of file, or if we create any file. Okay, so here the same thing. This is, so if we code coverage support CMake build str equal debug. If we need any debug compiler option or library, you can link that and like that in this particular reason, like target link library, target compile option. So what is CPack? CPack for packaging like this. Where is CPack like okay, wait, CPack like this. Okay, wait. Where yes, CPack packaging like this command like Makefile, or packaging any like DMG file, or disk management file for Mac or Unix has a different, like C packaging like my package. You can include your package name, version name, or contact name, or this like license and something like that, or generation. So in this green path, this name are user defined, or you can create this line. So you can see this is a window Win32 DMG CPack, or this is a Apple, and this is a Unix, or DF means Debian. So how we can create it? Okay, another the topic I can left. What is find package? In find package document, if we create if we find any package or library, that we can create find package, and find package is found, then this or config file this, and add target all this. Okay, here you can see the custom command. You can create a CMake command for custom command, and this is a debug for str equal. So what is str equal? For standard equal CMake build type. What is CMake build type? CMake for generation, configuration generation. Okay, so this is all about same find package for any kind of find package. So this is another important thing what we can generate or create. So this yes or no that we can create generate HTML or latex like that. If you create a static or dynamic link library, you can create static yes. The CMake will set yes. You can use no for no. Another is then option shared library. What is shared library? Like the dynamic library, okay, or DLL or dilib. So if you use dilib, build shared library on, then you can this is on. Or test, if you have a test folder and you can test it out in your build configuration, then you can use it on. Okay, this all everything is like same or custom common custom thing. This is a full package configuration, how you can packaging like display name, package name, contact, modify path on, multi icon, multi uni icon, okay, help link, license file, just everything. Or this is more important, install and uninstall command. Okay, this is for Win32, this is for Apple, and this is for Unix or Debian. Okay, that's it for our video. Is I think I will cover everything, and this file you can find my GitHub called Algo Science Academy. You can find these two file. I will push these two file in my GitHub account. So that's all. Thank you very much, and love Bangladesh, love for all, and hope I can help anyone that this video, and take a love you all. Thank you.